Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to make remedy for cold and cough. Here I am in my kitchen. Now take a big piece of ginger, a handful of pudina leaf and smash them well. And get a good smell of pudina leaf and ginger. Now add a little bit of pepper as I am showing in the video. And now add jaggery powder. Add water and let it boil. Add 4 glasses of water and let it boil to 2 glasses of water. Drink half glass in the morning and in the night. Within 3 days, your cold and cough will get cured fully. Hi viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. We'll be back soon.